Imagine a world where your morning cup of coffee becomes a rare luxury due to climate change. This isn't just a hypothetical scenario. It's a real concern for coffee farmers globally. The reliance on just two species of coffee, Arabica and Robusta, may not be enough to sustain the industry in the face of rising temperatures and unpredictable weather. But here's where it gets interesting. A recent genetic study has revealed that Liberica coffee, often overlooked, is actually composed of three distinct species that could provide more climate-resilient options. Most of the world's coffee comes from Arabica and Robusta beans. Arabica, known for its superior flavor, is highly sensitive to temperature changes, while Robusta, though hardier, still struggles with extreme conditions. As global temperatures continue to rise, coffee farmers are facing unprecedented challenges in maintaining their yields. This not only threatens the livelihoods of millions of farmers, but also risks turning coffee into a rare and expensive delicacy. To address this issue, scientists and agricultural experts are exploring alternative coffee species that can thrive in warmer, drier, and more variable climates. One promising candidate is Liberica coffee, which has been cultivated in small quantities in countries like Uganda, South Sudan, India, Vietnam, Malaysia, the Philippines, Indonesia, and the Pacific. Despite its potential, Liberica has remained a niche product, accounting for less than 1% of global coffee production. Part of the reason for this is the confusion surrounding its classification. A groundbreaking study published in Nature Plants has shed new light on the Liberica coffee species. Researchers used advanced genetic sequencing techniques to analyze 353 nuclear genes from 55 different samples of Liberica. They combined this genetic data with morphological measurements and geographic distribution maps to uncover a surprising discovery. What was previously considered a single species of Liberica is actually three distinct species: Coffea liberica, Coffea dewevrei, also known as excelsa, and Coffea klainei. Each of these species has unique genetic, morphological, and climatic adaptations that could make them more resilient to the challenges posed by climate change. For example, C. dewevrei is particularly drought-tolerant and can thrive in regions with lower rainfall. On the other hand, C. liberica may be better suited to areas with high precipitation and longer dry seasons at low elevations. These characteristics make them ideal candidates for regions that are currently unsuitable for Arabica or Robusta cultivation. The study authors emphasize that both C. dewevrei and C. liberica have significant potential for expanding coffee farming into new territories. These species are likely to include populations with adaptations to regional climate differences, soil types, and various biotic interactions, such as pest and disease resistance, they write. This is especially true for C. dewevrei, which has a wide natural distribution across tropical Central Africa. However, more research is needed, particularly on the lesser-known C. klainei. Field trials will also be crucial to confirm the climate adaptation traits of these species. Nevertheless, the discovery of these three distinct Liberica species opens up new possibilities for coffee breeding programs, which could help secure future coffee supplies and support the livelihoods of coffee farmers. And this is the part most people miss. The potential of Liberica coffee goes beyond just climate resilience. It offers a unique flavor profile that could appeal to coffee enthusiasts looking for something different. So, the next time you enjoy a cup of coffee, consider the broader implications of your choice and the ongoing efforts to ensure that your favorite beverage remains accessible and affordable. What do you think? Should we invest more in researching and cultivating Liberica coffee to safeguard the future of the industry? Share your thoughts in the comments below.